You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time to make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's so wasted. Trials and tribulations, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she making that shit, breaking that back to the back, break, wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me a co-sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's so wasted. Trials and tribulations, child. She don't want Hallmark, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card private, and I never press decline. Pick 'em up and make it to my lobby, and pay me prime. Turn postage, can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me a full sponsor. You got me paying for shit.
Take a home when you're not here, ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. Like you do, you do. I think I know.
Love the way you put it on. Girl, you got my attention, all of my attention. been bracelet. Yeah, you got me burning up in here. 2 black 5-inch heels, dressing to kill 'em. Yeah, I ain't sweating these women here. The essence is missing here, so I'm ready to disappear. Let's just go, my dear. Cause the way you put it on made me wanna take it off you. Got me so amazing. Oh, I don't wanna wait. No, nah, I don't wanna wait. Be up there for the champagne. 2 a.m. creeping up. You know how to keep me up. No, it won't be easy, but I'll be here, believe me. Turning me up, no, not tipsy, turning up, making my vision get blurry, blurry enough. Ecstasy and I'm certain. The way you light it up in here, dress shimmering like the chandelier, diamonds in your hair, you make it one thing very clear. The way you put it on, there's no competition. I watch you make a entrance, baby. Yes, you can tell by my description. You fit it well in her. I will never fail to mention. You polish every detail. Losing time, trying to go distant. You got all my attention, baby. I'm ready to disappear. Let's just go, my dear. Cause the way you put it on made me wanna take it off you. Got me so amazing. Oh, I don't wanna wait.
All right, y'all, so my makeup is done. I'm not gonna take my band off yet until I actually get dressed. So this is what the makeup is looking like. So let me show y'all my little SHEIN outfit, period. All right, so I got these little I think they call them jorts. They have a cute little flower design on it. Real cute. See? Very demure. And then I'm going to pair it with this top. I'm not too sure about this top because it is daytime. And I'm really only going to the mall, but I'm going to put it on anyways. And then this is the jewelry that I'm going to do. I'm going to put this belt on too because I'm wearing these shoes. And I kind of want it to like actually, you know, tie in together. But yeah, that's the fit for today, period. So right now I'm just about to get dressed. And yeah, I'm about to get dressed. So yeah, I am dressed and ready and I'm about to be out the door, period. So as always, I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, period. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Peace. The baddie is out.